New studies show that eating pecans may lower your triglycerides and your cholesterol. Let's talk about this more. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor for 34 years. Let's get the world healthy. Like what I do? Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and tell a lot of people we got a lot of sick people to get healthy. Well, brand new study by Penn State University shows that eating pecans 2 ounces daily may lower your cholesterol and triglycerides. And it's all over in the news. Absolutely, look at all the scientific studies down below. Most of them are news program talking about this. There's a couple studies and lots of advertising getting out there for lots of people. Well, the Penn State University study was done with 138 people. They were from 25 to 70 years old. They had obesity and high triglycerides and low HDL or good cholesterol, high LDL cholesterol, on and on and on. They just were not in very good shape. And this was over a 12-week study. They had them stop doing any other kind of snacks and eating a average diet. And they were taking 2 ounces of pecans between meals, 2 ounces a day. And then they looked at their allowable blood parameters, LDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, triglycerides, and they actually got better. So very interesting. Nothing else changed. Their lifestyle was consistent. They didn't eat any other kind of nuts. They were very controlled in all of that. So something happened. That's for sure. 1 ounce of pecans has 196 calories. It also has 2.5 grams of protein, 20.5 grams of fat, 6 grams of saturated fat, has a lot of fiber and some carbs, a lot of copper and thiamine and zinc and magnesium, phosphorus, and 4% of your daily iron also. Another study in 2022 was a 4-week study with older adults, 25, they're on a regular control. They didn't get any pecans. 24 got pecans. And over the 4-week process of the whole study, they actually saw an improvement in their LDL, HDL, and their total cholesterol and triglycerides. So if you have high cholesterol, high triglycerides, high LDL cholesterol, low HDL cholesterol, you might want to try eating a couple ounces of pecans daily, and that may, improve your blood parameters for your lipid profile. So that is a very good thing. I would like to hear back from you what happens after you start eating this after about 12 weeks. That would be very interesting at about, 3-4 months. And that would be, I would love to know what's happening with you as far as your lipid profile goes. This is only a couple studies. It's not like you're doing, even 10 or 20. I think we need more studies to know more about this. And so we have more to learn. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. I had a lady with menopause, put her on a whole bunch of different changes, and today she's had her first night of sleeping well without, being woke up or having her mind wander all over the place. And actually, her bowel movements are better and no more hot flashes, on and on and on. So many great things happen. Also, remember God, remember I love you. And also, it talks about it's easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle compared to a rich man getting into heaven. And I know a few millionaires. Interesting that most of them have really forgot about the average person. One of them is still down to earth and caring about people. The money on the average, I can remember one person, we used to talk all the time. All of a sudden he We got 3-point-something million and wouldn't even answer my call. Very interesting. So remember God, I love you.